Alright guys, we're getting ready to head down to Miami. We're going to go check out the Port of Miami and maybe check out South Beach. We got all the bikes tuned up from All American Cycle today, so we're going to go for a little night ride, and I'm going to do a little night ride vlog for you guys and put the camera on the helmet and see what kind of trouble we can get into downtown Miami tonight. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we just got here to Peterson's Harley Davidson in Miami, Florida. Check out the front of this dealership, guys. It's really cool. It's like an old school, like stucco building. It's got Miami on the front here. Really cool looking building. We got a lot of bikes outside. I don't know if those are used or new, but we're gonna go inside and check it out. But yeah, really cool. Looks like somebody was having some fun here. Looks like a really cool dealership, guys. Peterson's Harley Davidson in Miami. What are you showing me?
The 135. Ah?
Oh,
Badass, ah?
Yeah.
You need a backrest for your head.
Wait, how'd that go?
You need a backrest for your head.
Wow, look at all the old flat trackers up top.
Let's go. Habla. Acá hay más,
Wow.
Look from the water, look.
Yeah, yep.
You can put the AR-15 there and the ammo. No rider. Break out.
Very big facility, very nice.
Yes.
Yeah. Alright guys, shout out to Peterson's Harley Davidson in Miami, Florida. If you guys are in and around the Miami area, make sure you guys go check out their dealership. I don't know what it is about Florida or Miami in general, but everybody we've dealt with here, whether it was at All American Cycle and George and all his guys, or here at Peterson's Harley Davidson in Miami, everybody treats us like family. It's great. It's a great experience. Make sure you guys come visit them. They have a really good selection of clothes and motor clothes and parts and accessories. Make sure you guys come check out Peterson's Harley Davidson in Miami. Great people and great dealership. Alright guys, so we just got home from Miami, Florida, got the bike in the garage, up on the stand here, and basically that's going to do it for today's video. George and his crew over at All American Cycle treated us very good, and we have nothing but good things to say about them. Obviously they got good numbers out of my bike, and not only the numbers, guys, I don't really care what the dyno numbers say. I care about how it performs on the street, on the track. I have a reliable bike that makes good power, good torque, and I enjoy riding. He tuned the Road Glide to its full potential. I have two maps. I have a 93 map and an E85 map. I'll get more into that in a later video. I'll explain to you guys why I went with E85 and the pros and cons to tuning on E85, and we'll get into that in a later video. But I basically just wanted to close this one out for you guys. I hope you guys liked all the content from down in Florida. I was only down there 3 days, and I tried to vlog for you guys every day as much as I could. Obviously, we ran into some issues with the Road Glide and the cylinder heads on the bike, but thank God I had George in my corner. He had one of his guys tear the bike down for me, pull the heads off, go take them to get milled, and got him back on the bike, ran it on the dyno, and it performed really well. So if you guys haven't watched that video, make sure you go back to the last two videos, both with my bike on the dyno and also Chris's Road Glide ST on the dyno with the CR480 MT cam. But it's late. I'm tired. If you guys are wondering, I don't have the heat shields on the Thunderheader just yet. And the reason why I didn't put them on yet is because we had the O2 sensors plugged into the bungs there. I actually have them right here and down here. And you might see a little something there, but we'll leave that for another video. More parts coming for the Road Glide. A whole new look coming for the Road Glide, actually, so you're not going to miss it. I got a lot of content coming before we go down to Daytona. Oh, if you guys are wondering why my air cleaner looks like this, it's because I'm getting the faceplate of the T-Man air cleaner powder coated gloss black, obviously to match all the gloss black parts on the bike. But what I'm going to do for you guys is give you guys one last cold start. Now, mind you, this bike has not been started since I was down in Florida in 70-degree weather, so it's probably going to sound pretty wicked starting up on E85 when it's 20 degrees outside. So let's go ahead and see what this thing sounds like. That's going to do it for today's video, guys. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate all your support on the channel. Stay tuned, guys. There's some epic videos coming. You're not going to miss it. Daytona Bike Week is less than 2 months away, and I cannot wait to get down there and ride this beast once again. But that's going to give us time to do a couple more things to the Road Glide before Bike Week, and I cannot wait to bring that content to the channel. So, as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace!